Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 7th to the 16th. First of all, we're going to look at a short range period, and this will be covering from tomorrow into the long range February 7th to the 16th. And they're just going to make the Super Bowl game and just in time because we're having this brief mild up warm up in the east. And you can see this is the freezing line, and this is warm, so we're in the warm air with the warm front to the north. But this is the NAM, and now watch what happens later on. We have our first system that goes through with the cold front tomorrow, and then we have the next system developing off here, which all models are forecasting a low to develop off the Carolina coast and track northeastward to off the just south of Long Island. And this is going to bring a return of winter conditions and wintry precipitation. So we're going to go here. This is and you see the freezing line is down here and the low passes just right here. Now we're going to look at the GFS, and we're going to zoom in here a little bit. And again, this is on the second, and then we're going to go forward. And models are in pretty agreement with this. Here comes the low here, and it goes out the Virginia coast. And there it tracks out to Long Island. Again, snow. It's forecast snow amounts to be the heaviest across this region here. Lighter amounts inland. And now, so next thing we're going to go now, we're going to look at the pattern from the 7th to 11th. And models continue to depict a strong ridge over the Aleutians and a trough near Greenland, and a deep positive tilted trough across the north central states, and a ridge over the southeast for February 7th to 11th. So we're going to look at the model. This is the climate forecast system. Here's our trough here, and here's our ridge. And this is as of the 11th. This is the end of the period. And then things begin to change and kind of depict a little difference in the next period. The models aren't in very good agreement. So in this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for this area, and above normal precipitation for much of the nation. Because within this pattern, we have cold air here across to the north and a moist southerly jet going across the southern U.S. So now, as we go further into the period, this is for February 12th to 16th. This is the 17th. This is climate forecast system, but we're going to back it up a little bit. This is GFS. And here we have like a trough here across the eastern U.S. and a ridge here building into the west. And the GFS is depicting a flatter flow as we go further into the period. See how it becomes more zonal and with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. Now, the climate forecast system. Here's the climate forecast system is developing a flat flow with normal heights. Now this is again for the 11th. Flatter flow here. Flatter flow. This is at the end of almost excuse me, at the end of the period. So this is what I'm forecasting for this. I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region, and for precipitation. So calling for a rather stormy period across a large portion of the nation with above normal precipitation across this area, and below normal precipitation for this region here. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for February 7th to the 16th. Thank you for coming, Jim, on these World of Weather, and have a good day.